If you want to learn how to pick up a pay streak, watch this. That's what I'll be doing today. So today I'm down on a spot that I've worked many times before. Because there's been a recent storm here, the pay streak has moved. The sandbar has actually come all the way up to the grass verge. So my main objective today is to pick up the pay streak. So this is the fast flowing section of the river. So what we're looking for is a section where the water has had a chance to slow down. This current is going to come across. It's going to hit this rock here, slow down, and drop out right here. So I don't actually have the head mount with me or the tripod or anything, just this little mini tripod. So today was really just a last minute thing. I saw the weather was clear for about 3 hours and said, here we go, grab the stuff. I just give you a quick shot of the kit I have. So in terms of kit, all I have is 1/2 inch classifier, 1/4 inch classifier, pan, shovel. That's all I need. This won't be a structured day. This is just, again, incidental. I'm out for the day. You're watching it on the side, Ryan. And just get cracking on with it. Let's go find some shiny. Gonna work this down, see how we're getting on. Yeah, it's gold, happy days. First piece of gold. Okay, so first piece of gold in the first test pan, happy days. Am I gonna get this loose box and run all that dirt? Absolutely not. I dug 2 shovels down, dug into some dirt and got a piece of gold. That doesn't mean I set up a sluice box. I continue on downstream in the exact line that I'm on now and see if I can find more gold. And if the gold disappears, then I move left or I move right. This is all about finding and tracking a pay streak. We've started finding gold and we're going to continue picking up that pay streak. So I'm going to pop you back in fast frame, put you in the underwater case. I get back to digging. Right, just crack on with that. Let's go find some more shiny.